Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How to get credit card for Discord Nitro. So this is the step-by-step guide. First of all, we will just open the Discord app on the mobile device and we will move in the right bottom corner option your profile. And as you can see, there is a top right option is Nitro. So just tap. So these are the two plans of Nitro. One is basic and one is premium. So if I just tap for get basic, so it will says that you will just choose the plan yearly or monthly. So on yearly, you will just save the 16% of discount. And if you get just monthly, so you will be just get paid full. So before purchase, you will just have to go back. So just create your Wise account or Everlord because these two platforms that provide a virtual card. Once you will just create your account, you will get a virtual card. After a virtual card, you will just go for the setting in iPhone, just tap for iCloud option. And as you can see, there's an option payments shipping. So just tap and enter your virtual card. And after you will just again go in the Discord. And once you will be just have to purchase button. So you will be just able this basic monthly subscription. So just one tap for subscribe and you will be just get Nitro. That's it. Thank you.